You can't build a business around what you think people want. You have to know what they actually want. And that means asking them. I'm going to walk you through a simple survey process and the 5 questions you need to ask before you can even pretend to know anything about your audience. Whether you're writing a business plan, validating a new idea, or trying to figure out how to price your product, you need real signal from real people before you start making assumptions. And here's the thing, surveys are fast. They're low cost, and if you do them right, you can use the results directly in your business plan, your market analysis, your pricing assumptions, your customer profile. All of it can come from a well-built survey. So let's build one. The mistake people make is thinking market research needs to be this massive, complex project. So they either over-engineer it and never send it, or they throw together something random and end up with data they can't actually use. Neither one helps you. Here's the process. Step 1, pick one goal. Are you trying to understand demand, your competition, or how to position your offer, or what to charge? Pick one. One focused survey beats 3 vague ones. Step 2, write a short survey. 8 to 12 questions, something people can finish in under 3 minutes. If it's longer, they're going to abandon it. Step 3, send it to the right people who could actually buy from you. Not your friends, not random strangers, likely buyers. Step 4, look for patterns, not perfection. You're not looking for every outlier. You're looking for what keeps showing up. Step 5, turn the results into plan language. Target customer, competitive landscape, pricing assumptions. We'll talk about how to do that in a minute. Not all survey questions are created equal. These 5 consistently give you the most useful answers, especially early on. And here's the thing, if you want a shortcut to some of those answers before you even send a survey, LivePlan just launched something called Idea Canvas. You drop in your assumptions, your customer, your problem, your solution, and it generates deep research-backed findings on whether these assumptions actually hold up. Think of it as a reality check for your idea before you go and ask real people to confirm it. Right now, you can get 50% off your first month of LivePlan. Link is in this description. All right, back to the questions. Most survey questions are too weak. A lot of people ask hypothetical questions. Would you use this? Or how helpful would it be if we built X? The problem with hypotheticals is that people are naturally optimistic. They'll say yes to almost anything. That doesn't help you. You want to ask about what they actually do today, not what they might do in an imaginary future. Question 1. How often do you deal with this problem? Daily, weekly, monthly, rarely? This tells you if the pain is real and frequent or just occasional. Question 2. How are you solving it today? This is your competitive landscape, and do nothing counts as a competitor. So does a spreadsheet they build themselves. Question 3. What matters most when you're choosing a solution? Price, speed, convenience, trust? Have them pick their top 3. This shapes your marketing more than almost anything else. Question 4. What frustrates you about your current options? Leave this one open-ended. Let them write. The language they use here, that's your messaging. Hand it to you for free. Question 5. If a solution got you the result you're after, what would you expect to pay? Give them ranges. This tells you how they perceive the value, and it feeds directly into your revenue assumptions. Okay, you've got responses. Now what? 3 sections, that's all you need. First, your target customer. Who responded most? What are they trying to accomplish? That's your customer profile. Second, the competitive landscape. What are people currently using? What's the most common frustration? That's your differentiation. Third, pricing and willingness to switch. Where did the price ranges cluster? What would push someone to try something new? Those 3 things are the foundation of a real market analysis. And if you're applying for a loan or pitching for funding, having research that's grounded in actual people, not assumptions, makes a real difference. Market research doesn't have to be hard. It's just learning what people do today, what they want, and what they'll pay. A short, focused survey gets you there faster than almost anything else